सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः। स्वागतं। तत्र 373-तमी कक्षा वर्तते। अद्य डिसेम्बर् मासस्य 11 दिनाङ्कः। जानन्ति भवन्तः सर्वे द्रष्टारः पठितारः यत् अस्माभिः संक्षेप रामायणमिति आदिकवेः महर्षेः वाल्मीकेः रामायणं बालकाण्डात् प्रथमसर्गः संक्षेप रामायणमिति यत् कथ्यते तत् अस्माभिः पठ्यमानम् अस्ति। इदानीम् एतावत् पर्यन्तं मन्ये 23 श्लोकाः श्रीनिवास 23 श्लोकाः पठिताः। 100 श्लोकेषु 23 श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः पूर्णतया पठिताः सन्ति। पूर्णतः नाम व्याकरणरूपेण एवमेव अर्थ अवगाहन रीत्या सम्पूर्णतया तत्र पठनं भवति। अद्य 24 श्लोकः पठनीयः अस्ति। पठ्यताम्। षष्ठांशः तत्र पुनः पाठयामि इति गतकक्षायाम् उक्तवान् अस्मि। I have told you that I would repeat the 6th point in Abhyasa 11 on page 79. So this is very simple on the basis of sam plus yam plus ta tanta samyata. So you join samrata and samgata. These 4 verbs yam, gam, ram and nam. Ram is 2 times given. Okay. Yam, gam, ram. These are 3 verbs here, Srinivas. Yam, gam, ram, ram. Ram is given 2 times with different upasarga. Samram, niram. Meaning, we have already seen how the upasarga plays a vital role in changing the meaning. Upasargena dhatvartoho. Dhatvartaha balat anyatra niyati. Upasargena, upasarga prayogena dhatoho artaha balat karena anyatra niyati. Ahara parihara samharavat. Ahara iti shabdah vastati. Aharaha nama ahara. Samhara iti pra iti upasarga yojanena praharaha nama maranam. Pariharaha iti compensation, whatever. Samhara परिहार विहार यदि वि उपसर्गं योजयामः चेत् विहारः इति भवति, रोमिंग भवति। एवं रूपेण विसर्गेण धातोः अर्थः बलात् अन्यत्र नीयते इति काचित् कारिका अस्ति। इतः पूर्वं मया पाठिता सा कारिका। उपसर्गेण धात्वर्थः बलात् अन्यत्र नीयते इति। एवमेव अत्र संरम् इति धातोः अर्थः रमणम्, सम्यक् रमणम्। And niram, niram, nirata. Nirata is used in deeply involved. Nisseshena rataha iti. So that is the change here. So hana also hatha, nihata. So I just wanted to say that. Easy to derive. Samyata, samgata, nirata, nihata, pranata. प्रणम प्रेफ कारणात् तत्र नकारस्य नत्वं भवति प्रणत इति। सो विल पास ऑन। इदानीं श्लोकः पठितम्। 24 श्लोकः।
सजगाम वनं वीरः
वनुपालयन् पितुर्वचन
निर्देशात्
कैकेय्या
प्रियकारणात्।
स जगाम वनं वीरः, स वीरः रामः वनं जगाम Pratignyam anupalayan pituhu vachana nirdeshat. Pituhu Dasharathasya Atmanah Pituhu Dasharathasya Maharajasya Dasharathasya Vachana Nirdeshat Kaikeyaha Matuhu Priyakaranat Sa Veeraha Vanam Jagama. Ramaha Veeraha iti Padacheda Jagama
Vanam Veeraha Pratignyam Anupalayan Pituhu Vachana Nirdeshat Kaikeyaha Priyakaranat.
Padaparichaya.
Saha tat shubda dakaranta
Sarvanama Shabda.
Prathama ekavachana jagama gam shubda kartari lit prathama purusha ekavachana vanam akaranta navamsalinga dvitiya ekavachana veeraha akaranta pullinga prathama ekavachana pratignyam akaranta strilinga dvitiya ekavachana anupalayat takaranta pullinga prathama ekavachana.
Well, strictly speaking here, Srinivas, this is not akaranta, takaranta pullinga, but this is shatru pratyanta. Shatru. But it is called pullinga because it is going with the pullinga. Viseshya padam is pullinga. So it is described as pullinga. Strictly speaking, it is attana. Anupalayat is shatru pratyanta. Participle. Yes. Pituhu Shabda. Panchami Ekavachana. Samasta Padam. Ikaranta. Ekavachana. Napumsaka Panchami Ekavachana. Panchami Ekavachana. Samastam Padam. Akanksha Evamasti. Ekah Sloka Hatra Dattaha. Jagama went. Kaha Jagama? Saha
Veeraha Rama Jagama.
Sa Veeraha Jagama. Kaha Saha Veeraha iti tatra koste dattah asti Rama iti. Went. Who went? That hero Rama went.
Saha Veeraha Kim Anupalayan Jagama.
That hero, following what did he go? Yes, in order to follow the promise given, that hero went to the forest. What due to what did he go to forest? Due to what? He went to the forest because of the father's command. Again, due to what did he go to the forest? He went to the forest in order for the pleasing of his mother Kaikeyi. Priya Karanat. Okay? Next. Anvayartha is one sentence only. Yeah.
Saha Veeraha Pituhu Vachana Nirdeshat Kaikeyaha Priyakaranat Pratignyam Anupalayan Vanam Jagama.
So that is Saha Veeraha, that Veera, that valorous Rama, Pituhu Vachana Nirdeshat, due to his father's command, Kaikeyaha Priyakaranat, and with a wish to please his mother, Pratignyam Anupalayan, and also to follow up his promise. He had given a promise to his mother that he would obey whatever is the order. Vanam Jagama iti. So Padartha will read Saha Asau. Adas Shabda, this is Adas Shabda. Asau. Vaha, in the he is. Saha Nama. Saha eva Asau iti.
Veeraha
Shuraha. Veeraha Shuraha.
Kaikeyaha Priyakaranat Bharatamatuhu Priyahetoho.
Bharatamatuhu Kaikeyaha Priyahetoho Karanat iti.
Pitru Vachana Nirdeshat Janakasya Agnaya.
Pituhu Vachana Nirdeshat Nama Janakasya Nama Dasharathasya Janakasya Agnaya.
Pratignyam Sandham.
Sandham, Pratignyam, the pledge. Whatever pledge or promise that he had given. Anupalayan. Anusaran. Anusaran means following. following the pledge he had given, promise he has given to his mother and father.
Vanam
Vipinam. Vipinam aranyam. Vipinam nama aranyam.
Jagam.
Jagama is the past tense that lit. Here is agamat is lung. Lung lakara. This we have touched slightly, Srinivas, in the previous class. So agamat, agamatam, agaman. This goes as it is. Generally, gam dhatu will get the substitute gacha, isn't it? Gachati, agachat. But here in lung prayoga, the basic gam only is taken into derivation. Agamat went. Agamatam, agaman. Agamaha, agamatam, agamata. Agamam, agamava, agamama. It goes like that. So that is lunga. Jagama means agachat. Agamat nama agachat. Lang lakare. Bhavartha. Samskute Veeraha. Patyatam.
Veeraha Ramacandraha Kaikeyaha Priyakaranat Pituhu.
Priti Karanat.
Priti Karanat.
Pituhu Dasharatas.
Vachana Rupa Nirdeshat Swakrutam Pratignyam Palayan Vanam Gatavan.
So Rama went to the forest in order in obedience to his father's instruction in the form of the vara given to Kaikeyi, and also with a view to please Kaikeyi, he went to the forest. That is Veeraha Ramachandra Kaikeya Priti Karanat, to with a reason to please his mother Kaikeyi, Pituhu Dasharathasya Vachana Rupa Nirdeshat, and also to keep up the promise or the command of his father, Swakrutam Pratignyam Palayan, and also to protect and to keep up his remembering his promise given to the parents. He went to the forest. Very simple sloka. Srinivas, we have to go to Nidarshana now. Vyakarnamshaha Tatra Eka Eva. Only one point is there. Samasa. Vachana Nirdeshat. Vachanam Eva Nirdeshaha. Vachana Nirdeshaha. Vachanam Eva Nirdeshaha. Word itself is an instruction. Eva means emphasis. Kanyartaha or dharmartaha. Dharmaha eva artaha. Dharmartaha. Dharma itself is artha. Understand? Dharmad arthascha kamascha sadharma kyunna sevyate. We studied one sloka of Mahabharata. So in Karmadharaya, eva comes in the sense emphatically. Dharmartaha. Vachana Nirdesha means Vachanam eva Nirdesha. Okay? That is, and then Tasmat is Pancham, because of that. Priya Karanat, Priyam cha Tat Karanam. Priya, again Karmadharya. Priyam cha Tat Karanam. Tasmat Priya Karanat. With a view to do please, with a view to please, with a reason to please his mother Kaikeyaha Priya Karanat. Okay, Srinivas? Only two samasas. Now Abhyasa Dvadashaha Abhyasaha Dvadashamaha Tatra Shlokaha Chaturvimshaha Vayam Janimaha Kevalam Shadamshaha Santi Atra. Only 6 points are there in this Abhyasa. To finish up this sloka 24th. Shabdarthau Yathochitam Yojayata. Now you join. Very simple.
First one is already done. Jagama, Yayau.
Yayau. Jagama means Yayau. This is perfect tense lit. Jagama. Reduplicative. Yayau. Yayau means Ya Dhatu. This is, I don't know whether we must have come across in our previous classes, Srinivas. Ya Gatau. Yatra comes from this. Yati. Vittam eti yati cha. I told you that is the definition of money. Vittam eti comes yati cha. There this ya is used. From which yayau is derived. Yayau means went. Ya yati. yataha yanti, yati yataha yanti, yami, I go. From which you take several roots. Okay? Jagama means yayau, went. Pituhu. Pituhu we have to do. Janakasya. Pituhu Janakasya. So 1 ga, 2 ka, Viraha 3 Shuraha. Viraha Shuraha 3 with ga, 4 Pratignam Pratishrutim, that is Gnya, 4 Gnya, and 5 Anupalayan Anusaran Shatrupatiyant. So rapidly I will sum up. 1 is given, 2 is ka, 3 is ka, 4 is nya, 5 is gha. Very easy, they can also do it. Now 2 Srinivas. Sarthakam yatochitam yojya. Now again meaningfully match them. Saha jagama, okay, he went. Then pratignam anupalayan. So 2 pratignam goes with ka. Pratignam ka. 3 Kaikeyaha gha. Last one Kaikeyaha priya karanat. Then last one Pituhu vachana nirdeshat. That we have just done. Pituhu vachana nirdeshat. So only 4 here. 1 is solved for you. Pratignam anupalayan. 2 ka, 3 gha, and 4 is ga. 4 to Trutiyamshaha asambaddham shabdam pratak kurta. Odd man out, what we have been doing. Now you can try. 1 is done for you. 4 you have to do. Jagama jayau akatha yat prasthitavan. Which is taken out? It is all akathayat. So Jagama means went, Yayau means went, Prasthitavan also means as left, gone, Akathayat means told. So next 2.
Anupalayan, Anusaran, Anugachan, Anubhavan.
Anubhavan, because all are following only. Anupalayan, Anusaran, Anugachan, Anubhavan is odd man out, Pruthak. Right. 3.
Pratigna, Pratishrudihi, Pratirodhaha, Prativachanam, Pratirodhaha.
Pratirodhaha is odd. Bhinnamasti, ataha. Opposition, obstruction. Obstruction or opposition. Pratirodha. Then 4.
Viraha, Shuraha, Santaptaha, Viryavan, Pratapavan, Santaptaha.
Odd man is odd word, not man. Odd word is santaptaha. Bhinnam padamasti santaptaha iti. Viraha, Shuraha, Viryavan, Pratapavan. Ete chatvara shabdaha api samanarthaha. Kevalam ekameva shabdaha tatra bhinnarthaha asti. Astra. Santaptaha means one who is very repenting. One who has suffered. Samyak taptaha, santaptaha. One who has suffered santapa. From santapa, santaptaha. This is tanta. Samtapta, santaptaha. Like Virahagnau santaptaha Ramaha Sitaanveshanartham Hanumantam Preshitavan. Virahagnau santaptaha. You can say that. Santaptaha means right. Next.
Aranyam, Vanam, Kananam,
Gahwaram, Vipinam.
Gahwaram.
Yeah, Gahwaram is Bhinnam. Aranyam is Aranyam, forest. Vanam is forest. Kananam is forest. Vipinam is also forest. Gahwaram is cave. But Guha. This Gauhara happens to be in the forest only. Not necessarily forest, mountainous regions. Yeah, cave. Guha, that is. So what are the Pruthak? Once again, 2 Anubhavan, 3 4 5 Gahwaram nama cave. Evam rupena asambaddham shabdam vayam Pruthak krutavantaha. Chaturtamshaha uttaram likhata. Now write the answers here. Only how many? 3. Kaha vanam jagama. Very simple sentence. Ramaha vanam jagama. Kaikeyaha priyam karanam kim asit. Kaikeyaha priyam karanam Ramasya vivasanam. Kaikeyaha priyam karanam Ramasya vivasanam. Asit. Also you can put 3. Ramaha vanam yayau. Kasya vachana nirdeshat. Whose, by whose command of the word, command did Rama go to the forest? Dasharathasya. Pituhu or Pituhu. Pituhu vachana nirdeshat Ramaha vanam yayau. Either you put Dasharathasya or Pituhu. Both are same. Rapid summing up. Kaha Ramaha vanam jagama. Kaikeyaha priyam karanam Ramasya vivasanam. Kasya vachana nirdeshat. Pituhu vachana nirdeshat athava Dasharathasya. So Chaturtamsha samaptaha. Panchamamsha adholikitam likitam yathochitam yojayata. Now you match as suitably as possible, as the following suitably. Jagama matches with, okay, he is asking what description of the word. No. What is Jagama? Is it an adjective, Visheshana, Visheshya, Kriyapada or Avyaya? What is it grammatically? So the answers are given to the right.
Only antas are given, not kriyapada.
It is a kriya only, but kriyapadam is not given there. Tingantam. Tingantam is any verb. See, Srinivas, I have told you, ting is a Pandinian grammar. When they study tip, there are personal termination. Titaha, anti, sitaha, tha, mi, vaha, maha. These are there, na? They are called ting. Traditionally speaking, ting means any verb. Any verb is called ting. Sup, subantas. Tingantas means verbs. Sup, anta. Sup is a abbreviated form which are added to nouns to derive. Ramaha, su, aujas. Ramaha, s is there, that becomes visarga. Rama, shabdam, pratipadika is Rama. S is there, that becomes visarga. Ramaha, kavihi, su is there. So these su, aujas, au, shas, tabhyam, bhis, etc., they go down, pratyayas. These are called starting with su, ending with pa. Sup. Sup means all the terminations applicable to the nouns. So sup anta, subanta is a noun. Ting anta is a verb. Understand? Whenever you come across ting anta means it is a verb. Subanta means noun. So here jagama is given as ting antam. It's a verb. Kriyapadam can be given. Kriyapadam only it means. Ting antam padam. Right. You got it? What I said? Anupalayan. Now what is the answer? Dvitiyantam, Shastyantam, Tingantam, Prathamantam, Panchamyantam. No, it could be, what is it? No. Anupalayan, where does it come? Prathama, Dvitiya, Shasti. It is a Shatru Pratyanta. But an comes where? Prathama Ekavachana. Ramaha, what is that? Pituhu vachana nirdeshat Ramaha pratignam anupalayan. Ramaha piturvachana nirdeshat pratignam anupalayan. Ramaha anupalayan. This anupalayan is going with Ramaha. That is why in the book there 80 page, you can just see the previous page here. Anupalayan, what is given description? Takaranta, Pumlinga, Prathama, Ekavachana. See?
Yes.
Anupalayan is described. It is Takaranta because it is Shatru, At, isn't it? Anupalayat, Anupalayan. So it is Prathama, Srinivas. Now can you derive? Anupalayan, Anupalayantav, Anupalayantaha. Gachan, gachanto, gachantaha. Pashyan, pashyanto, pashyantaha. These are all prathamas, okay? So, what is your answer now? Anupalayan is prathamantam. This is present active participle called Shatru Pratyanta Prathama Ekavachanam. Okay? Now, Vanam. Yes, it could be, because there is no Prathamanta, one more. Vanam is a Napumsakalinga Shabda. Ramaha Vanam Jagama. From the context also, it is Dvitiya. Pituhu Shashti. Shashtantam. Pituhu also happens in Panchami, but not here. Here it is not Panchami, Shashti. Priya Karanat Panchami, opposite. Got it now?
Yes.
So Jagama is Tingantam, Anupalayan is Prathamantam, Vanamiti Dvitiyantam, Pituhu iti Shastyantam, Priya Karanat iti Panchamyantam. Panchami Antam. Shashtaha Antimaha Amshaha Atra Pradattan Shabdan Prayujya. Using the below given words, Katichana Vakyani Likhata. Write, make some sentences using the below given words given below. Okay? Below given words given below. Whatever. Make some sentences, Srinivas. Gum. You should make sentences. Three tenses. Lati, present tense, liti. Oh, liti also. And then langi in the past tense. Difficult. Lat you can do very easily. Lat you can do. Make lat. Lat means gacchati, gacchataha, gacchanti. Present tense. Ramaha vanam gacchati. Anything. Balakaha vidyalayam gacchati. Mama putri patashalam gacchati. Any number of sentences you can. Aham mandiram gacchami. Aham buddham sharanam gacchami. Ready-made sentence you can do. Any more, any number of sentences. Lati you can make many also. Okay, then you try this langi past tense. Gacchati becomes what in past tense? Agachat. So Ramaha vanam agachat. Lakshmanaha api vanam agachat. Sita api vanam agachat. Rama Lakshmana Sita Rama. No, we have to take Sita. Sita Rama Lakshmanaha vanam agachan. Sita Rama Lakshmanaha vanam agachan. So we have done in Lang. Sita, Ram and Lakshmana went to the forest. Now what about Liti? Liti means Jagama. Jagama, Jagmatuhu, Jagmuhu. So we'll try only the Uttama Purusha mostly. Prathama Purusha we have to try. Rama, Havanam Jagama already there. Ramaha Lakshmanau cha. Rama Lakshmanau vanam Jagmatuhu. Jagmatuhu. Sita Rama Lakshmanaha vanam Jagmuhu. Jagama, Jagmatuhu, Jagmuhu. This is sufficient for you. Srinivas. Jagama, Jagmatuhu, Jagmuhu. Earlier also somewhere we have come. Yeah, Jagama, Jagmatuhu, Jagmuhu. Shall I write this one? One sentence.
We'll write all together.
Yeah, all together. Okay, that is fine. Remember, but Jagama, repeat.
Jagama, Jagmatuhu, Jagmuhu.
Ramaha vanam Jagama. Rama Lakshmanau vanam Jagmatuhu. Sita Rama Lakshmanaha vanam Jagmuhu. Jagmuhu. Iti. Okay, then Anupalayat. That is Pratipadika is given. Base in Purlinga, Anna it becomes. In Strilinga Palayanti, like Nadi it goes. Then you make any sentence, try. Sugriwasya adesham anupalayan Hanuman Lankam Jagama. Understand? Sugriwasya adesham anupalayan Anjaneya Lankam prati agachat or jagama, whatever you want to say. Isn't it? Any more sentence? You can make the same contextual sentence, Ramas. Pituhu Dasharatasya Adesham Anusaran Ramaha Vanam agachat Vanam jagam. Ramam Anugachan. Anugachan is not to be used. Anupalaya only. Okay. You can make a student, a son following the order of his father, studies Sanskrit. Pituhu Adesham Anupalayan Putraha Samskritam Patati. Guroho Adesham Anupalayan Sishyaha Samskritam Sikshate. Okay? Guroho Adesham Anupalayan Sishyaha Samskritam Sikshate. Any number. One sentence should give you 5 more sentences. Then you get used. You got it, na? Okay, you make it in Strilinga. Anupalayan.
Sita api.
Sita api Ramam Anupalayanti. Following Rama. No Adesha. Sita Ramam Anupalayanti Manam agachat. Anupalayanti. Anupalayanti. Sita Anupalayanti. Okay, like that you can make a best example is Guroho Adesham Anupalayan Sishyaha Vyakaranam Sikshate Samskritam Sikshate. Like that. Okay? Now Pitru. So many you can make. Rama followed his father's. Again Rama comes here. Ramaha Pituhu Adesham Paryapalayat. Paryapalayat. Rama followed the order of his father. Or anything you can say. Rama loved his father, loves his father. Ramaha Pitari Ativa Snihyati Sma. Ramaha Pitari Dasharathi. Ramaha Pitari Dasharathi Ativa Snihyati Sma. He loved his father very much. Likewise, you say the other way. Dasharatha loved, but Pitu you have to use. So, Ramaha Pitari Dasharathi Ativa Snihyati Sma. Rama loved too much his father. Or Pitru Shabda you can use anyway. Son goes along with the father. How do you say? Putraha. Son is going along with father to the temple. Putraha. Pitru Shabda Trutiya you use. What is Trutiya of Pitru? Pita, Pitaram, Pitra. Pitra. Putraha Pitrasaha Mandiram Gacchati. Right? Putraha Pitrasaha Mandiram Gacchati. So, like that you try many sentences. Huh? Now, what is Nirdesha? Order, instruction. This is Pullinga Shabda, Nirdeshaha. So, Matuhu Nirdeshat, due to the instruction of the mother, Putri Sangeetam Sikshate. Okay? Matuhu Nirdeshat Putri Sangeetam Sikshate. Or anything, Samskritam Sikshate, whatever it is. Pituhu nirdeshat, same contextual sentence. Pituhu Ramaha vanam
Ramaha vanam gacchati.
jagama, same verb you use, agachat. Pituhu nirdeshat Ramaha vanam agachat, vanam jagama. So what is left? So this is one sentence, but you can, all of you, those who are watching, can make many more sentences and come back. Last one is pratigna, promise. Akaranta strilinga shabda. Contextual sentence. Ramaha pratignam palayan vanam agachat. Again the same sentence. Ramaha pratignam palayan vanam agachat.
Ramaha swasya pratignanusaram
Ah.
vanam.
Pratignam. Pratignanusaram. You want, you can make, yes. Swasya pratignanusaram vanam agachat. Yes. Bahavaha pratignam kurvanti natu palayanti. Bahavaha janaha pratignam kurvanti na palayanti. So like that. Aham na pratignam karomi ataha palana prashnaha na udeti. So please try out several sentences. They are good. So we have to write Srinivas. At least few. Can you read? What is this? 12th Abhyasa, 6th point. What number should we give? 1, 2, 3. We have to give. Ka is there. Okay, ka. What is ka?
Gam.
Gum.
Lati, liti, langi.
Okay. Gum. First lati. Yes, make a sentence. Very simple. Aham Vidyalayam Gachami. Very simple. What's inverse? Ramaha vanam gacchati. Tvam vidyalayam gacchasi. Saha mohanaha vidyalayam gacchati. So many sentences you can make. Next,
Liti.
liti. Liti. Ramaha. Contextual only will take. Vanam jagama. Then langi. This is simple past tense. Rama, or you want to change why Rama all the time? Why we are targeting Rama? Balakaha. Mandiram. Agachat. What's in was? Balakaha mandiram agachat. Ramaha vanam agachat. Simple. Same. If you take Ramaha vanam agachat, jagama you take out, langi agachat. Anything you can make. Any other sentence. Aham mandiram agacham. Tvam mandiram agachaha. Te balakaha mandiram agachan. You go on changing that. Next. What is the word? Anu. So, for this, what sentence we made? Remember? Contextual, you can take Ramaha Pituhu Adesham Anupalayan Vanamagacha. That is contextual. Putraha Pituhu Adesham Anupalayan What do you want to say at the end? Anupalayan Samskrutam Sikshate. Sorry. You can make many changes if you want. What I said, Matuhu Putraha Putri Matuhu Adesham Anupalayan Sangeetam Sikshate. And many, just if you think you can make. Only one na here. Anupalayan. Next, Ga Pitru. Only Pitru. Pitru you can use, liberty is given any vibhakti you can use here. Srinivas. Pitru Shabda you can use any. So number of words you can. That's a compound word you are making. Pitru Vakya Paripalanartham. Ramaha Rajyam Atyajat. Rajyam Atyajat. Fine. Simple sentences like Aham Pitra Saha Mandiram Gacchami. Lakshmanaha Ramena Saha. Oh, Pitru. No, that's not good. Ga. Pitru, you can make many sentences. One more I had given you instantly. Ramaha Pitari Ativa Snihyati Sma. You write that also. Ramaha Pitari Ativa Snihyati. Rama loved his father very much. Sma. Ramaha Pitari Ativa Snihyati Sma. Ga. This is Pullinga Shabda. What I said? Remember? Contextual, Ramaha Pituhu Nirdeshat Vanam Agachat. This is contextual sentence, okay? Vanam Agachat. Or any other sentence? One more is there? Oh no. I said one sentence, na?
Guruhu adeshanusaram.
Nirdesha. Acha. Adesha, why Adesha? Nirdeshanusar. Guroho. No, you make a Vyastapada, separate the word. Guroho Adeshanusaram Shishyaha Patati. Guroho Adeshanusaram Shishya Nirdeshat. Guroho Nirdeshat also you can say. Nirdeshanusaram is not. Guroho Nirdeshat Shishyaha Patham Patati. That way. And one more is there, na? We have one more.
Yeah.
Oh. I made a general statement here. Bahavaha pratignyam kurvanti. Pratignyam. So many curves. Below writing. Atu palayanti. Okay? Oh. Okay, they understand this very simple. Any more sentences you can think of? Read once, sum up. That ink is visible, Srinivas, blue? Good?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Liti Ramah Vanam Jagama Langi Palakah Mandiram
Agachat.
Anupalayat Putraha Pituhu Adesham Anupalayan Samskrutam Shikshite Pituhu
Pitruvakya
Paripalanartham Ramah Rajyam
Atyajat. Right.
Ramah Pitari Atugivas Nihyasisma Nirdesha Ramah Pituhu Nirdeshat Vanam Agachat Pratignya Bahavaha Pratignyam Kurvanti
Natu Parayanti. Evam Asmakam Shashtamshaha अपि सम्पन्नः भवति. नूतनं श्लोकं पश्यामः. पञ्चविंशः षड्विंशः श्लोकद्वयमस्ति अत्र. पठ्यताम्. पठ्येताम्.
व्रजन्तं प्रियो भ्राता लक्ष्मणोऽनुजगाम तं व्रजन्तं प्रियो भ्राता लक्ष्मणोऽनुजगामः स्नेहाद्विनयसम्पन्नः सुमित्रानन्दवत्सलः भ्रातरं दयितो भ्रातुः सौभ्रात्रमनुदर्शयन्
तं व्रजन्तं प्रियः पदच्छेदम् अहं करोमि. भ्राता लक्ष्मणः अनुजगाम स्नेहात् विनयसम्पन्नः सुमित्रानन्दवर्धनः भ्रातरं दयितः भ्रातुः सौभ्रात्रम् अनुदर्शयन् इति पदच्छेदः. पदपरिचयः एकवचनम्. Even it should be, to the extent possible, you try to tell by reading only the pada. That will be understanding. You close Visleshana and try to identify. Try to, you can do it. Close Vrajantam. But you see on the monitor, na? That is there, that's not possible. Okay, anyway. Vrajantam, Takaranta. Priya. But those who are with the books, if you, for a time being, they can look away from the monitor of our class and then look at the book, close the Visleshana and try to identify for yourself. That will be better. Bhrata, Rukkaranta.
Anujagama, Anupu plus Gam, Kartari, Lift, Prathama Pruksha.
Ekavachana.
ह अव्ययम् स्नेहात् अकारान्त पुल्लिंग
पंचमी एकवचनं विनय संपन्नः
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन समस्त
सुमित्रानंद वर्धनः
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन
समस्तं भ्रातरम्
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग
द्वितीय एकवचनं दयितः
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन
भ्रातुः
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग षष्ठी एकवचन
सौभ्रात्रम्
अकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग द्वितीय एकवचन समस्तम्
अनुदर्शयन्
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन.
So anudarshayan like anupalayan both are shatru. Shatru means present active participles. Angla bhashayam. At. So that is why it is this visleshana is given as takaranta Srinivas. Takaranta pumlinga prathama ekavachana shatru. So akanksha. Kaha anujagama. Patat.
Lakshmanaha anujagama.
Who followed? Anugamanam. You know the word anugamanam. Anugachati follows. Anujagama followed. Who followed? Who followed whom next? Oh no, it did not give that. Kaha kam anujagama. If you want to say who followed whom, kaha kam anujagama. Lakshmanaha ramam anujagama. But here it says kidrushaha lakshmanaha anujagama. Brother Lakshmana followed. Then Lakshmanaha kidrushaha bhrata. What type of Lakshmana was he? What type of brother was Lakshmana? Priyaha Vinaya Sampannaha. He was very dear and very obedient. Punaha Saha Kidrushaha. Again, what type of Lakshmana was he? He was the happiness, increaser of happiness of Sumitra. That means, how to say this? Sumitra Ananda Vardhana. Delighter in one way. Who was the delighter of Sumitra? Srinivas. Next. Lakshmanaha kam anujagama. Here it is coming. Lakshmanaha kam anujagama. Whom did Lakshmana follow? Lakshmanaha Ramam. Okay. Bhrataram Ramam anujagama. Lakshmana followed his brother Rama. Kidrusham Bhrataram anujagama. What type of brother did he follow?
Rajantam Bhrataram
anujagama. He followed the brother who was moving, going, who was leaving. Rajantam means leaving, departing from the Antapura, the palace. Rajantam means Gachantam Bhrataram Anujagama. He followed the brother who was leaving, going. Next. Kidrusham Bhrataram Anujagama. Lakshmanaha Kasya Daitaha. To whom was Lakshmana beloved? So, Lakshmanaha Bhratuhu. He was dear to his brother. Lakshmana was dear to his brother. For what reason did Lakshmana follow his brother? Snehat. Out of love and affection. Due to love and affection. So you can give the full answer also. Lakshmanaha Bhrataram Snehat Anujagama. You can take out these two words. Kasmat Karanat. Then Lakshmanaha Kim Anudarshayan Anujagama. Meaning, following what did Lakshmana follow? Following, yeah. Showing what? Showing what? Showing what did Lakshmana followed? Showing brotherly. Saubhratra means brotherhood, you can say. Brotherly relation, brotherhood. Saubhratam, brotherhood, Srinivas. Showing brotherhood he followed. So that is Anvayartha Srinivas.
Vinaya Sampannaha Sumitrananda Vardhanaha Bhratuhu Daitaha Priyahu Bhrata Lakshmanaha Snehat Saubhratram Anudarshayan तं व्रजन्तं भ्रातरम् अनुजगाम.
Vinaya Sampannaha, very disciplined and full of modesty. Sumitra Anandavardhanaha, that delighter of Sumitra. Bhratuhu Dayitaha, who was very dear and you can say favorite of his brother. Priyaha, can say dear and near to his brother, favorite to his brother Lakshmana. Snehat, out of due to affection. Saubhratram Anudarshayan, showing up, exhibiting his brotherhood, brotherly relation, brotherhood. Tam Vrajantam Bhrataram, that followed that brother who was going, who was leaving. Vrajantam is leaving, who was leaving the kingdom. Tam Vrajantam Bhrataram Ramam Anujagama. Okay. Padartha.
Vinaya Sampannaha Vinamraha.
So Vinaya is self-discipline, Srinivas. Vinaya. This is a Pullinga Shabda. Vinaya Sampanna. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne. We have that Gita sloka. You don't know that? Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Hasti Gavini. Sunichaiva Swapake Panditaha Samadarshina. So Vidya Vinaya. So you also know that Vidya should bring about what? Vinaya. Vidya, we have a saying, Vidya Dadati Vinayam. But what is Vinaya coming nowadays? If that is applied, no Vinaya is there. Vidya Dadati Vinayam. There is one more. Vidya. Okay. So, Tena Tadrushena Vinayena Sampannaha Samyak Yuktaha Samyuktaha Vinamraha iti. Right. Next.
Sumitranandavardhanaha.
Sumitra Priti Vardhakaha. Sumitrayaha Nandana Ananda Vardhakaha iti. One who enhanced the delight of his mother Sumitra, of his brother favorite. Okay, right.
Bhratuhu agrajasya ramasya.
Now, Bhratru Shabda does not specify elder or younger in Sanskrit like in English. Bhrata means brother. So, that is why it is given Bhratuhu agrajasya ramasya. You know there are two words, agraja, agre, jataha. Jataha. What is the opposite of agraja? Younger, anujaha. Lakshmanaha Ramasya Anujaha. Ramaha Lakshmanasya Agrajaha. Srinivas. Ramaha Lakshmanasya Anujaha Bhrata. Lakshmanaha Ramasya Agrajaha Bhrata. Elder brother. Okay. Daitaha Priyaha. Both are same. Daita and Priya.
Priyaha
Ishtaha. Priya means Ishtaha, Daitaha. Yes.
Bhrata
Anujaha.
Lakshmanaha Lakshmana Nama.
Lakshmana is a name. Lakshmana Nama. Saubhratram Uttama Bhratru Bhavam, showing the highest brotherly relation.
Anudarshayan Acharam.
Pradarshayan also you can say. Anudarshayan meaning Acharan following, but here showing brotherly relations, Srinivas. So better would be what is given Samskrita Artha Acharan, Darshayan. Some Anudarshayan means Pradarshayan. Another meaning for that. Pradarshayan, showing. Prakatayan, Srinivas. Bhratru, Saubhratram Prakatayan. That will be good. Next. Snehat. Anuragat. Anuragat. Snehat. Out of affection. If you use Prema Shabda, Snehat Premnaha. Sneha Shabda, Panchami would be Premnaha, Srinivas. Premnaha. Vrajantam.
Gachantam.
What is this? Tell me. Which pratyaya? Gachantam. No. Antam is there, na? Gachantam, vrajantam, ramam. So this vrajantam, gachantam is what? Pratyaya. Shatru. It is dvitiya sinva. Shatru pratyayanta, na? Anupalayantam. So brush up your shatru pratyayanta. You are forgetting. Gachan, gachanto, gachantaha. Gachantam, gachanto, gacchataha. Gacchata, gacchadbhyam, gacchadbihi. Gacchate, gacchadbhyam, gacchadbhyaha. Gacchataha, gacchadbhyam, gacchadbhyaha. Gacchataha, gacchatoho, gacchatam. Gacchati, gacchatoho, gachatsu. This is how that is shatru pratyayata is derived. Next, what is next? Tam. It's a tam means again pronoun tam purvaktam ramam. Bhrataram agrajam ramam. Anujagama anuyayau anvagachat. If you take lang lakara here, anvagachat. Anuyayau nama anvagachat followed. Atra vayam sthapayamaha shubham bhuyat.